Howdy, I'm going to be doing a blind solve. 0 seconds on the clock. Scrambled cube, which I'm not looking at as I'm showing to you. And of course, my kick-ass hat, which I'm going to put on beforehand and then drag over my eyes. I love this hat. Okay, I'm not looking at the cube, I'm looking straight into the camera. 3, 2, 1, go. I can't talk right now, I'm blind solving. And filming it too. solved in 4 minutes and 36 seconds, .46. That's pretty darn good for me. My personal best is 3:59, but I think I average. See, I don't time myself much with blind solving. I just kind of practice, and I don't really get a good average. Just like the 6x6, if you saw my last 6x6 solve video, I say I don't time myself. I don't really have enough time to get a good average because I'm still a beginner and I'm still progressing really fast. So I don't have a good average basically. But yeah, I'm just rambling now. But you got to see me in the look funny again. It's always funny. But 436.46, pretty awesome. So yeah, I'm happy about that. Cool.